welcome back to another jerky test of Jeff's famous jerky. Let's get that off there. Before we forget, hey, you can use a code 10OFF. All right, let's see. We can't get it open. Hold on, let's use our teeth off camera. Viewer, never mind. Don't use your teeth. So this is the old-fashioned original jerky, Jeff's famous beef jerky. We're going to show you the consistency and then also taste it. So that's the consistency. Come on, get in my belly. All right. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Natural smoke flavor added. Old fashioned. That is delicious. I was expecting to give this maybe a 3.8 because original jerky is kind of dry. It doesn't really have much flavor. This is delicious. This definitely gets... That's close to a 5. That's close. We're going to give it a 4.5 for that. I mean, after I eat the whole bag, it might get a 5. But that's delicious, guys. Oh, man, I love this brand.